Hello everyone, Dr. Michelle Jorgensen with Living Well with Dr. Michelle. I wanted to give you an update of what we're doing on our homestead today and also what I'm going to be teaching you at the Plant and Maintain Your Garden workshop on March 31st. I really hope you join me because I'm going to be showing you some of the things that literally today we are doing. The kids and I are out here weeding the greenhouse today. Now, this is everybody's least favorite job, right? Nobody likes to weed, but what I'm going to teach you are ways to really minimize the weeding, how to make it so that your plants support one another, and also block out the weeds. How to thin your plants so that they will be able to get the nutrients they need, the air, the water they need, but also not give a lot of extras to the weeds around them. I'm going to be teaching you how to plant, so things like how close to plant together, how deep should you plant, how you should thin those plants once they start coming up. Let me show you some things in action right now. So I'm going to show you my greenhouse beds that have been growing all winter long underneath cover. I just uncovered them yesterday because I knew it was going to rain today and it was going to be a beautiful day for them to get some sunshine and some rain. So here are my garden beds right here. This is middle of March in Utah. Those are my garden beds, absolutely overflowing with greens because they have been under cover all winter long, and they are loving life right now, getting all this rain and this sunshine. But in them are weeds. In them are some things that have gone to seed, and I'm going to have to work on all of that today, but it won't take me long because the weeds themselves are a little bit outcrowded by the ones that I love, the things that we really like here in these garden beds. So right now I have some garlic that's going to be quite early in the year for growth. I have some bok choy in here. There's a bunch of different garden greens, some parsnips, some turnips, some different things that are all ready to harvest right now. So these are things I'm going to teach you also as we go through these gardening workshops this year. So again, these are the garden beds. Middle of March here, there's the garlic right behind me that's coming up and happy as a clam where it's living. All these things are things I'm going to teach you so you can do it in your own backyard as well. So I really hope you join me. If you weren't here for the first gardening workshop, it doesn't matter. These things all go together. You can always catch up with the recorded version of that. But everything you learn, you're going to be able to just take and use tomorrow in your own backyard. So please, I hope you join me March 31st, 7 p.m. at the Plant and Maintain Your Garden workshop. We'll see you then.